Guys, this is Busy Man on your busy ride. What I do basically is I help you sell your car, I help you buy your dream car, and I also help you invest into cars. Behind me here is a beautiful, sleek baby, a 2012 Toyota Vitz, powered by a 1.3 litre petrol engine on an automatic transmission. We are going to look at how the interior looks, and then we do a quick test drive to see what this car has to offer. Yes, this car is push to start. Okay, so that's the key. Let me drop it over here. Okay guys, let's go. Try this car. Wow, this car is swift. This is a 1.3 litre engine running an automatic transmission. It is smooth, it is swift, and it is fair. Guys, even if you don't need a car now, this is time to invest. You can buy this beautiful baby and use it for Uber, Yango, Bolt, or Shaxi. You understand that? If you want this car, all you need to do is to call the number on the screen and come and have this beautiful baby before another person does. If you cannot afford this car upfront, Auto Credit Africa has a payment plan for you.
Everybody's looking for that song.
Why dream it when you can own it? In today's life, driving a personal car is no more luxury but a necessity. Wondering how to own your dream vehicle at a flexible payment term with no deposit? Look no further. Auto Credit Africa is here. Auto Credit Africa is here to offer all brand new vehicles for a 2 to 5 years payment term to all salary workers of corporate institutes, schools, universities, hospitals, and all staffs under the Controller and Accountant General payroll. Companies in need of official vehicles can also contact Auto Credit Africa for a similar arrangement. Auto Credit Africa. Don't just dream it. Own it.
This beautiful baby is going for a cool 75,000 Ghana cedis. If you are using this baby for business, you will recoup your money in a few years' time. If you love what I do, like, comment, and share. Please do not forget to subscribe so that whatever video I do, you will be the first to receive. I am Busy Man.
I feel love.